Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 8 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. Celestron StarSense Explorer. No prior knowledge of using a telescope is necessary. Simply unleash the power of your smartphone to take you on a guided tour of the night sky. Utilizing your smartphone, award-winning and patent-pending StarSense sky recognition technology analyzes star patterns overhead and determines its position in real time. A list of things that are now visible is automatically generated by the StarSense Explorer app. From the city, you may observe planets, more brilliant nebulae and galaxies, star clusters, and double stars. You might also use your telescope to view faint, deep sky objects under darker skies. It is simple to locate your preferred target by following the on-screen arrows using the manual alt-azimuth mount's smooth, dual-axis slow-motion controls. It is ready to observe through the telescope's eyepiece when the bullseye becomes green. Coming to number 2. Cam Omni. These characteristics lead to the first genuine 360 degrees, full-view dash cam in the industry. Smoothly moving the camera around, continually keeping an eye on everything that occurs around the car in all directions. Omni has a robust parking surveillance system. The dashcam can identify persons nearby, detect their movements, and pinpoint their location by using its enhanced AI motion detection algorithm. Omni automatically monitors and records people's activities with 360-degree surveillance if they approach and remain wary and close to your car. When a collision occurs, Omni will instantly identify the motion's direction, pivot toward it, and begin recording video for up to 30 seconds. In parking mode, Omni constantly captures time-lapses of the area around the car. Every 30 minutes of video is compressed into 1 minute by Omni to give users a brief overview of significant events or stunning scenery while conserving memory and cutting down on battery usage. With its integrated GPS, Omni can assist users in tracking their routes and locating their vehicles after they have been parked or in the event that they have been moved without permission. MNI has voice control that can operate the camera safely while driving. This voice control is only available in English. Coming to number 3. VELO Luggage. 3-in-1 Expandable. The first hard-side expandable bag in the world that is simple to switch between 3 sizes: 26 inches large check-in, 22 inches medium check-in, and 16 inches small carry-on. The extra-wide pop-up handle and the top buttons are where VELO gets its name. Press the button to pull the VELO outward to increase its size or compress it to decrease it in seconds. VELO is the luggage you can own for life and use for any journey, regardless of duration or distance, in addition to the beautifully designed PC shelf. Including a wash bag, accessories bag, underwear bag, and clothes bag. Its various functions all serve the same purpose, which is to increase the effectiveness of your packing. Additionally, VELO offers customized accessories like the laptop bag and adjustable dividers to make packing easier and keep you organized when traveling. Let the grand adventure begin at the beginning. Coming to number 4. SwitchBot Blind Tilt. With a built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery and solar power for electricity that never runs out, our product is both energy efficient and environmentally beneficial. When you're at home, use our app to tilt your blinds whenever you want. Additionally, you'll be able to use external smart assistants and even control remotely when away from home when coupled with SwitchBot Hub Mini. Want to utilize a timer or the countdown feature to help you wake up to the sun instead of an alarm clock? Utilize simple voice commands to open and close your blinds to make life easier. One group of blinds can have up to 8 blinds, but you can also set up multiple groups. You may still operate manually, and Blind Tilt will automatically synchronize all of your blind tilt devices for you, which is very sweet. Use SwitchBot Remote to control your blinds with only one tap. Coming to number 5. Xtripod. Self-tracking smart selfie tripod. A remote-controlled selfie robot called Xtripod frees up your hands so you can track and shoot when taking a selfie. With its 4 built-in wide-angle cameras, the Xtripod creates a panoramic view, does image processing, and efficiently tracks moving objects. Now capturing the photograph is simple. Just launch any of your favorite photo editing applications and mount your phone on an Xtripod to capture the ideal snap. Your ideal photography assistant is Xtripod. With 4 wide-angle cameras, the Xtripod can provide a panoramic image that is superior to what can be done with a phone alone, removing blind spots and allowing you to roam around freely. Coming to number 6. Devialet Mania Hi-Fi Portable Smart Speaker. The first portable smart speaker with 360-degree stereo sound in high fidelity. Devialet's well-known focus with unadulterated sound combines with a transportable aesthetic. The soundstage of the Devialet Mania portable speaker adapts to the environment it is in. An ease of movement handle. A splash-resistant IPX4 grade for toughness. And the first built-in battery from Devialet, which allows for up to 10 hours of wireless streaming. Experience amplified listening that is pure infatuation and leaves a lasting effect. With the help of its real-time acoustic mapping technology, ASC, active stereo calibration, Devialet Mania is able to automatically adapt the audio rendering in accordance with its surroundings by accessing 4-room calibrating microphones and inbuilt intelligence. A frequency range between 30 and 20,000 Hz, bass that you can physically feel, and sound that is nothing short of obsession-inducing. No matter where you are with relation to the product, stereo. Get hold of the Devialet Mania Station, a wireless charging dock add-on that allows you to recharge without being constrained. Coming to number 7. iOttie Velox Magnetic Wireless Charging Air Vent Car Mount. Unibody housing made of aluminium for greater strength and a smaller overall footprint. Even on bumpy journeys, your MagSafe-compatible iPhones and cases will be kept firmly in place. Even more powerful alignment and grip are provided by an additional vertical magnet. A MagSafe iPhone attachment built for cutting-edge technology. Your MagSafe-compatible iPhones receive up to 7.5 W of power wirelessly via Velox. Includes a USB-C car charger. Silicone prongs provide the mount a vice-like grip and enable quick and tight installation. Coming to number 8. Foampresso. On birthdays, give the kids creative and entertaining foam soft drinks to enjoy. Order your Foampresso right immediately to provide your guests with a totally distinctive drinking experience. Along with beer and classy cocktails, its Foampresso may be used on energy beverages like Red Bull and Monster. Currently, there is just one product available that produces creamy foam and is both waterproof and USB rechargeable. Our talented and diversified team enables us to share our inventions with you at a fair price. This cutting-edge, high-tech, yet user-friendly device that transforms any uninteresting drink into a pleasant and sophisticated beverage comes from the intriguing and diverse Japanese culture. With this inventive topping that turns any beverage into a creamy froth, you can unleash your inner mixologist. To prevent water damage, the USB port is well covered. Because of its portability, you can take it anywhere, and it won't take up much space in your kitchen. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.